right, so now let's open up our projector. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to us. Now this is a native 1080p projector. It works on 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You can do screen mirroring and projector screen up to 100 inches. So this does have a 10,000 lumens high brightness bulb with a 10,000 to 1 contrast ratio. It's native 1080p, but it does support a 4K resolution. Projection size is 32 inches up to 300 inches. The lamp life is approximately 80,000 hours, and it has a ceiling mount, floor standing mount, table mount, and wall mount. So you can mount it any of those kind of ways. And that 100-inch projector screen is included. As I mentioned, it can go up to a 300-inch screen. So let's look at what else we have here. So you see you have a projector, screen, remote, HDMI cable, power cable, AV cables, user manual, friendly service. Very nice. Same little picture over here. This is the R7 model. And then this side gives some more parameters. So imaging technology is LCD, 1920 by 1080 resolution, the power voltage, your lights and LED, 65 watts operating, 3.6 to 34.4 feet throw distance, screen size 32 inch to 300 inch, and a 4.3 or 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So nothing on the bottom or top besides the company name. So let's open it up and actually take a look at how all this is packed in here, because we have a 100-inch screen and then we also have the projector. So looks like this. Yeah, this is the 100-inch screen. Didn't think the model I got came with that. And then it's everything else. Nothing else in the box. Nice little remote. Looks almost like an Apple TV remote. There's the included HDMI cable, the included power cable, and then this is the little audio video cable I was talking about. And then here is, got some there too, so like Q-tips to clean it, and then a full manual. Let's show you the actual projector. Have a focus and keystone knobs here. Changes like the clarity and everything. Power, looks like a menu and a back. Return button, up, down, left, right, and okay. Back here we have the HDMI port, 2 USB ports, the AV port, and a headphone jack. And there's the power port on this side. And other than that, right in here is your screen, your bulbs inside, everything's ready to go for you. Here's your multiple mounts here along the bottom. Very, very nice.